Welcome to Watercolor by Scarlett Damen. Today we are going to create this. This is very simple and it's really easy and it's a lot of fun, and I just want to quickly show you guys how to do it. So today we're using water. So first I'm going to draw some kind of straight line right through the center. There's no real plan here. I didn't plan where the sprays would go, but as we go through them, the paint spreads. Let's do this. I think actually it's a little too dry here. There we go. Coming back. So we can see how as it dries it's going to spread out. This one had a little more water than this one, and of course here there's a lot of water. So it will spread until some of the texture's there, some of it not there. It won't necessarily look like this when it's dry. Some of this might stay because that part of the paper was fairly dry when I put it down. There wasn't a ton of sopping water drops on the page, but here it will probably blend into nothing, similar to over here. So I could always come back, add some lines into this as well. But because now it's all wet, it's kind of joined itself, it's not going to have the same effect. So things to consider when trying this technique is that too much water and the whole piece will just run together into nothing. So it's really about that gentle and careful balance between a little bit of spray, a little bit of paint, a little bit of spray. Go ahead, let it dry, and then if you want to add more, if you want to respray it and do it again, go ahead and try that. I'm Scarlett, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Toodaloo!